So hey people, welcome back to an all new video on my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make a cool and awesome gaming outro like this one.
And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all they get to see.
Isn't this cool, guys? So let's get straight into the video.
Yeah, he can take you all around the world. Yeah, I know he can take you places. I ain't finna take you nowhere. All I got for you is fuck faces.
So guys, the first step is to open PixelLab, and afterwards you select the text, go to the A option and just scroll down until you see the font option. Go to your My Fonts and just select the font which is called Cartoon Maker. So I'm just gonna search for cartoon, and here it is, Cartoon Marker. So here it is. Now we'll edit it, and first we'll put subscribe and we'll hit OK. We'll go to here, transparent, and we'll then save as image. Make sure the format is PNG, then save to gallery. Then we'll edit it again, but this time we'll put for more, so something like that, and I'm just gonna add exclamation marks for more, and we're gonna save as image and make sure the format is PNG and then save to gallery. So guys, let's meet me in Photoshop. What we'll do, we'll click on the plus icon and make a blank project with the width as 1920 and the height as 1080. Click on OK. After that, add a photo layer, and it should be of a gaming photo layer because we're making a gaming banner. So here it is. Then what you'll do is you'll just go to the settings, and then you'll go to saturation and make sure it's a negative 60%. So it is, so it looks kind of black and white. After that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the and fill in stroke and choose a color you like. So first I'm gonna go with red, and I'm just gonna add a fade effect. So choose the last one, which is here, and put it something like that. Then again make an empty layer and fill in stroke, but with a different color now. So I'm gonna go with a green color like that, and make sure it's all in the different corners, so something like that. Yeah, that looks cool. After that, add another empty layer and go to fill in stroke and choose a color you like. So I think I'm gonna go with orange color, something like that, and I'm gonna add a fade effect. So yeah, that looks cool. And again what you'll do is you'll again go to fill and stroke on another empty layer, and this time you'll add another color, so something like blue, because why not. And now we're gonna add fade effect, something like that. After that, what you'll do is you're just gonna go to the blend mode and set to overlay, so it gives this cool kind of effect. So I'm just gonna go to overlay and overlay, and on this one too. So it is, it looks kind of cool. So guys, now meet me in KineMaster. So guys, here we have opened KineMaster. Now we'll just make an empty project. Then we're gonna go to media browser, and we're gonna go to our Adobe Photoshop Touch folder, and we're gonna add the image we had created earlier, and make sure it's somewhere around 8 or 9 seconds. So here it is, 8.9 seconds. Now what we'll do, we're just gonna go to layer, media, and we're gonna go to another file which I'll provide you in the link of the description. So just open that file, go to the split screen option and make sure it's full screen, and then just extend it till the end. That's all. After that, what you need to do is you're just gonna go to the media option and open the PixelLab folder. Go and put the subscribe there. So I'm just gonna put subscribe somewhere like that, so it looks cool like that. and I'm also gonna put the for more option after some time. So PixelLab and for more. So here it is. Yeah. Something like that. It kind of looks nice. Then extend it till the end, and even extend that to the end. So okay, now just select it and put an in animation. So I'm gonna put pop because that looks cool. Then even add an in animation, so I'm gonna put slide up and make sure it's 0.5, and I'm gonna go to the for more in animation, and it should be slide down, and again with a 0.5. So let's see how it looks. It looks kind of cool. So as you can see, yeah, the center would be our logo. So now the next step we'll do is we can go to this option and we can add a vignette, because that just adds a little prominent effect. You can also go to layer, media, and select the background. Just extend it, just put it here like that, and make sure that in animation just kind of like slide down, and just put it across the whole thing. So just make sure the in animation is set to like 1.0, because that looks a really kind of good effect. So we can duplicate that, and I'm gonna put that one here, and I'm also gonna put the in animation as slide up, so like that. So it gives this kind of cool effect. Now also what you can do is you add your audio. So I'm just gonna go to the audio and I'm gonna add this one. So I hope you can listen to it. So I'm just gonna go to the right part. So I'm just gonna put it like that first, and let's listen to it. So here the beat starts, I think so. So I'm just gonna put like that.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without a.
So guys, this is our gaming intro tutorial. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, please give it a like. Guys, thanks for watching.